Hi everyone, I'm Youngzom, a campaigner at Students for a Free Tibet, and today I was ready to attend Thermo Fisher's AGM to ask the company directly to end sales of its DNA products to police in occupied Tibet. Due to some technical difficulties with the meeting platform that are not at all clear to us, and which we are currently looking into, I was unable to join online as expected. However, because of these circumstances, now other shareholders have rallied to our cause, and the question I was going to ask directly during the meeting has been delivered in writing to Thermo Fisher through investor relations. In solidarity with Tibetans around the world and inside Tibet, these shareholders have shared our concerns and urged Thermo Fisher to tell us what human rights reviews they have in place about China's use of its technology in occupied Tibet. Gaining renewed support from shareholders is a major step in the right direction for our campaign. And although not everything has gone as planned, today has still been an incredibly powerful day. We've taken our message all over Thermo Fisher's home city of Boston. Our team has staged actions, political theaters, and even taken a mobile billboard viewed by thousands of people across the city. And this afternoon, we will head towards the large rally outside their Cambridge office. Our fight does not end here. Our movement is stronger after today because we can confidently say that Thermo Fisher Scientific has seen and heard our message.